10a before example 21. Prove that card A plus card B plus card C. Prove A card A plus card B plus card C equal to A square plus B square plus C square by 4 delta. A square plus B square plus C square by 4 delta. Now LHS card A plus card B plus card C. So card is nothing but cos by sin. Cos A by sin A. Cos B by sin B. Cos C by sin C. So cos A card is nothing but cos by sin. Card A is cos A by sin A. Card B cos B by sin B. Cos C cos C by sin C. So cos A formula B square plus C square minus A square by, so 2BC sin A by 2R plus cos B A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC sin C D by 2R plus cos C A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB sin C D by 2R. So 2 cancel, 2 cancel, 2 cancel. So this R comes to the numerator, R denominator ABC, R by ABC R by ABC. So B square plus C square minus A square. A square plus C square minus B square. A square plus B square minus C square. So here A square cancel, B square cancel, C square cancel. Overall R by ABC into A square plus B square plus C square equal to numerator and denominator I want to multiply with 4. 4R by 4ABC into A square plus B square plus C square. So what is the formula for delta? ABC by 4R. It is reciprocal. So 1 by delta. So 1 by 4 delta A square plus B square plus C square by 4 delta. So this is the required solution. Okay, next. Third bit, first question. Third bit, first question. In that first one, prove that first one, card A by 2, prove that card A by 2 plus card B by 2, card B by 2 plus card C by 2 equal to S square by delta. S square by delta. So prove that. So simply I want to take LHS. Left side equal to card A by 2 plus card B by 2 plus card C by 2. Card A by 2 plus card B by 2 plus card C by 2. Left side I am taking. Now card A by 2 formula S of S minus A by delta plus card B by 2 S of S minus B by delta plus card C by 2 S of S minus C by delta. So simplification. So numerator S common, denominator delta common. S by delta of S minus A plus S minus B plus S minus C. So S by delta S plus S plus S Vs minus of A plus B plus C. So S by delta into Vs minus A plus B plus C 2S. S by delta into Vs minus 2S. Yes. S into S. S square by delta. So this is the required solution. So A card A by 2 plus card B by 2 plus card C by 2 equal to S square by delta. Okay. Next. So second one we will do got first third one I want to do. Third one is card A by 2 plus card B by 2 plus card C by 2 by card A plus card B plus card C equal to A plus B plus C whole square by A square plus B square plus C square. A square plus B square plus C square. So we need to prove this one. Okay. So solution. So first I am taking LHS in LHS numerator. Consider card A by 2 plus card B by 2 plus card C by 2 implies. So we already done card A by 2 plus card B by 2 plus card C by 2. If we simplify, what we will get, what we got. So same, we need to write entirely this one. So entire simplification of this one, we got S square by delta. After writing all this, we will get S square by delta. Denominator, card A, consider card A plus card B plus card C. So simplification of this one. So this one also we done. So we need to write all this. So at last what we got? A square plus B square plus C square by 4 delta. So we need to write entirely this one. Card A plus card B plus card C is the solution up to this one. Now, so LHS card A by 2 plus card B by 2 plus card C by 2 by card A plus card B plus card C. So this is the LHS. So we simplified this one. We got S square by delta. S square by delta by card A plus card B plus card C. We simplified entirely. Write this one in this. So we got A square plus B square plus C square by A square plus B square plus C square by 4 delta. So delta cancel. This 4 comes to the numerator. 4s square by A square plus B square plus C square. 4s square equal to 2s whole square by A square plus B square plus C square. 2s equal to A plus B plus C whole square by A square plus B square plus C square. We got A plus B plus C whole square by A square plus B square plus C square. This is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. Okay, now second one in this second one is tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2 plus tan C by 2. Tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2 plus tan C by 2 equal to BC plus CA plus AB, BC plus CA plus AB minus S square by delta. We need to prove this one. Minus SA, BC plus CA plus AB minus S square by delta. So I am taking LHS tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2 plus tan C by 2. So we have three formulas for tan. But here the denominator is delta. I want to choose the formula denominator delta. So tan A by 2 S minus B of S minus C by delta plus S minus A S minus C by delta plus S minus A S minus B by delta. All the denominators are delta. Simply I am writing 1 by delta of S minus B S minus C plus S minus A S minus B S minus C plus S minus A plus into S minus B. Now product 1 by delta of S into S, S square minus SC minus SB plus BC. S into S, S square minus SC minus AS plus AC plus S into S, S square minus bs minus as plus ab. Now 1 by delta of how many s squares? 1 2 3 3 s squares plus bc ab c bc plus ab plus c bc plus ca plus ab. Now minus as minus minus 2as minus bs minus bs minus 2bs minus scrcs minus cs minus cs minus 2cs. 1 by delta 3s square plus bc plus ca plus ab minus 2s common. If we are in all this minus 2s common, then a b c. Now 1 by delta 3s square plus bc plus ca plus ab minus 2s into a plus b plus c equal to 2s. So now 1 by delta 3s square bc plus ca plus ab 2 into 2 4 s into s s square. So 1 by delta of bc plus ca plus ab 3s square minus 4s square minus s square. So bc plus ca plus ab minus s square by delta bc plus ca plus ab minus s square by delta. This is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. Okay. Next. Third question. We will discuss second one later. Third question. Third question is if sin theta equal to a by b plus c, then show that cos theta equal to 2 root bc by b plus c into cos a by b sin theta equal to a by b plus c, then we need to prove cos theta equal to 2 root bc by b plus c cos a by b. Okay. Now, so given solution, what is given? Sin theta equal to a by b plus c. This is given. So cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta a by b plus c whole square. So 1 minus a square by b plus c whole square. LCM b plus c whole square minus a square. b plus c whole square minus a square. So a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b. So b plus c plus a of b plus c minus a by b plus c whole square. So this we can write 2s. So b plus c 2s minus a minus b by b plus c whole square. So 2s into, so 2s minus 2a 2 common s minus a by b plus c whole square. So 2 into 2 4 s into s minus a into denominator b plus c whole square. I am writing like this. Here I want to write bc and also write bc here. bc cancel, we will get same. Okay, now cos square theta equal to, so 4 into square root of s into s minus a by bc whole square square root cancel, we will get this one. So BC by B plus C whole square. So this is equal to 4BC by B plus C whole square. This is entirely cos A by 2 formula, cos square A by 2, cos square A by 2. So cos theta equal to root of 4BC by root of B plus C whole square equal to cos A by 2. So bringing 4 outside of root, 2B root BC by B plus C into cos of A by 2. So 2 root BC by B plus C into cos A by 2. So this is the required solution. So this is the first question in third one. Next, second one. Second one. If A equal to B plus C cos theta. Second, if A equal to B plus C cos theta, then prove that sin theta equal to 2 root BC by B plus C into cos A by 2. Okay. Solution. Same problem entirely this one. Sin theta equal to, not sin theta, A equal to B plus C cos theta. Cos theta equal to A by B plus C. Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus A by B plus C whole square. 1 minus A by B plus C whole square up to same up to this one. So this simplification we will get this one up to this one. Okay. Left side instead of cos square theta, here it is sin square theta. Remaining everything is same. Okay. So it is equal to 1 minus A square by B plus C whole square. Taking LCM B plus C whole square. B plus C whole square minus A square. Now sin square theta equal to, so A square minus B square formula, A plus B into A minus B, B plus C plus A, B plus C minus A by B plus C whole square. This is 2S, this is 2S minus 2A by B plus C whole square. 2 comma 4 into S minus A, writing BC B plus C whole square. So 4BC by B plus C whole square into root of S minus A by BC whole square. This is cos A by 2 formula. So 4BC B plus C by 2 whole square cos square A by 2. So sin theta equal to square root of 4BC by B plus C whole square into cos A by 2. So sin theta equal to 2 root BC by B plus C cos A by 2. So this is the required solution. Okay, similar to this one problem is in example. So that is 18th, example 18. So that question is, if A equal to B minus C, sec theta. If B minus C sec theta, then prove that tan theta equal to 2 root BC by B minus C sin A by 2. 2 root BC by B minus C sin A by 2. Okay, now solution. A equal to B minus C sec theta. A equal to B minus C sec theta. Sec theta equal to A by B minus C. A by B minus C. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Tan square theta equal to 1. Sec square theta minus 1. tan square theta equals x square theta minus 1. So tan square theta equal to sec a by b minus c whole square minus 1 a square by b minus c whole square minus 1 denominator b minus c whole square a square minus of b minus c whole square. So a square minus b square formula a plus b into a minus b a minus b minus a plus b minus c into a minus b plus c by b minus c whole square. So this we can write 2s minus c minus c. This we can write 2s minus b minus b. So a plus b 2s minus c again minus c. A plus c 2s minus b again minus b by b minus c whole square. 2s minus 2c 2s minus 2b by b minus c whole square. In this 2 common, overall 4 s minus b s minus c by b minus c whole square. Now, so I will write this one 4 into bc by b minus c whole square into s minus b into s minus c by bc. Simply multiply and divide with bc. So 4 bc by b minus c whole square under root s minus b s minus c by bc whole square. So this is tan square theta. Tan theta equal to square root of 4bc by b minus c whole square. 4bc. So this is what? This is the formula of sin a by 2. Sin a by 2. Both sides square will be removed. Sin a by 2. So this 4 bringing outside 2 root bc by b minus c into sin a by 2. This is the required result. Okay. The next question. In third question, third question, third. In this question only third one. For any angle theta, show that a cos theta equal to b cos of c plus theta, b cos of c plus theta plus c cos of b minus theta. Okay, we need to prove for any angle theta. So I want to prove this one is bigger, this is smaller. So that's why I want to prove RHS to LHS. So solution or proof. I am taking RHS b cos of c plus theta, c cos of b minus theta, c cos of b minus theta. Okay, so b 2r sin b into cos of a plus b formula, cos c cos theta minus sin c sin theta. C equal to actually cos c cos theta minus sin c sin theta. Next c 2r sin c into same formula cos of a minus b formula, cos b cos theta plus sin b sin theta. So 2r common, remaining multiplication. 2r common, sin b into cos c into cos theta minus sin b into sin c into sin b into sin c into sin theta. Now plus sin c into sin cos b into cos theta. Now plus sin b into sin c into sin theta. Sin b into sin c into sin theta. Again, so sin b cos c cos theta, sin b cos c cos theta, sin B sin C sin theta, sin B sin C sin theta. Next, so sin C cos B cos theta, sin C sin B sin theta. So if you observe these two are same, sin B sin C cos theta, sin theta, sin B sin C sin theta, sin B cos C cos theta, sin C cos B cos theta. So this will be different. I am taking cos theta common. So 2 are common. Cos theta I am taking common. Sin B cos C plus cos B sin C. Sin B cos C plus cos B sin C. So sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin of A plus B formula. So 2 are cos theta sin of B plus C. So 2 are cos theta into sin of B plus C equal to 180 minus C. Cos of sin of 180 minus theta. So 180 sin will become sin. Second quadrant sin is positive. So 2 are cos theta into sin C. Now 2 are sin C into cos theta. So 2 r sin C equal to small c cos theta. Small c cos theta. So actually B plus C equal to 180 minus A. This is A. This is also 180. So this is also A. 2r sin A equal to small a. So A cos theta. So this is equal to A. So hence it is true.